It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I am doing a removal and I am going in with the Bellavena kit. Okay, I did a video on this kit when I first got it on myself, but today I'm going to use it on someone else. Okay, so I'm really excited about that. So for the removal, I showed you my removal kit, which has all of my tools and everything that I'm going to use for that service. And I'm just going in with my drill to get that product as low as I can. So the kit that I'm going to be using is their Apres Dupe kit, and I will have the link to this in Amazon. So as you can see, I'm just going in and getting this product as thin as possible so that I can soak off the rest of it. And even if everything does not come off, it is okay. So this kit did come with a free gift. It came with some rhinestones, and I have been using those quite a bit. But I decided to go ahead and use the kit some more, so you will be seeing that kit along with the Beetles kit more often. So after they have been soaking for a while, I go in with this tool to kind of scrape that acrylic away. And I am loving these foil wraps that already have the cotton on the inside. So I will put those in the description bar as well. So after I scrape that product off, I go in with a file and just make sure that everything is nice and smooth. Even if it is a pinch of product still on the nail, I do this so that I can go in with my next application. And what she basically had was an overlay and a Christmas design. So that's what I am removing. I believe the video for this look is up, so I will make sure I put it in the cards. I have been going live every Sunday at 1 p.m. kind of in that 1 p.m., 1:30, 2 p.m. range. So shortly before, I will have the thumbnail available so you all can see what time it starts, and I will put a message on my community page as well as on my Instagram and Facebook and all of that. So definitely come join me every Sunday. So for her nails, I am just doing the same thing that I did when I did my nails like this. I put the product inside of the tip and then press it down. And later I gave her the flashy so that she can flash it as soon as I put it on her. And then after it was flash cured, I took the light to really get around the nail. So I feel like I have kind of mastered this on myself, but I do want to master it on other people. And so that is where she came in to help me out. So I did cut them short back down to just like a smidge past her natural nail. But you all get the idea. For myself, I leave them quite long, and the second time I used this product, I put some more of the gel underneath the nail to kind of build it up a little bit. But for this length, it's basically like an overlay, which is what she always gets. So if you are looking for something to be kind of like an overlay where you don't really want a lot of length, you just want something to kind of make your nails stronger, this kit will be a great option for that as well. And this is, again, the Bellavena Gel X Dupe Kit. So now I'm going to go in with this gel polish from Hewitt. And she liked what I had on my nails, so I pulled out those colors that I got from Hewitt. I did show these in a swatch video. And she picked this one, so that's what we put on her. So I am still trying to master how to do this without getting the other person to help out. Of course, if you're doing this on a paying client, I wouldn't get them to hold the light or anything like that. You want them to be able to relax and enjoy the experience. But this is my friend, and she's, helping me out and everything, so I had to get her to hold it. So eventually I will be able to press it on the nail with one hand and then pick the light up with the other hand. That's the goal. So we're gonna see how long it take me to get there. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line. And guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I'll see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.